When I first started building this YouTube channel, it was just kind of a hobby. All I wanted to do was teach people how to create 3D models and reduce a little bit of the frustration that comes from learning 3D software. However, as the channel's gotten bigger, I've achieved more and more of my goals until there's really only one left. So this is the SketchUp YouTube channel, hub of information about SketchUp, and soon to be the second largest channel for SketchUp videos on the internet. Aaron, Eric, and Tyson have done a great job of building up this channel into something that has a combination of helpful and also interesting SketchUp content. I've always suspected the actual success of this channel is tied to Aaron's use of funny t-shirts, but I haven't been able to prove that decisively. However, through a combination of hard work and an obsession with SketchUp that some might describe as unhealthy, I've managed to pass this channel in every area except for one: subscribers. Now, if I look at current projections, I'm currently scheduled to pass the SketchUp YouTube channel by November of 2023. I personally am not willing to let Aaron's reign of terror last this long, so I'm starting a new challenge. As many of you know, SketchUp's Basecamp conference is happening in Vancouver, September 26th of this year. That's in approximately 60 days. So my goal is to pass the SketchUp channel in YouTube subscribers by the beginning of Basecamp on September 26th. That gives me about 60 days to get 55,000 new subscribers. Is this realistic? I have no idea, but we're gonna give it a try. Nothing would make me happier than to stand up for the first presentation that I do at Basecamp and say, "Hi, I'm Justin. I run a YouTube channel about SketchUp that has more subscribers than SketchUp." So how am I gonna do this? Let me introduce you to the game plan. So step one is I'm going to be kicking off a new 30-day series about modeling things for SketchUp. This series is going to be specifically designed so that if you follow along for 30 days, you're going to be comfortable modeling in SketchUp in both SketchUp Pro and in the free online version of SketchUp. I'm also going to make these files available for download so you can download them and follow along. So at the end of this, even if I don't meet the goal, which I plan to, you'll have a great resource for learning how to use SketchUp. Step two, we're going to cover some of the best and the newest things coming out that you can do with SketchUp. I want to talk about some of the cool things that you can do with the program. So we're going to be covering all sorts of interesting things over the next 60 days. So I definitely recommend that you subscribe so that you can see what the cutting edge is and where we're going. So step three, rewards tiers. So the more subscribers I get, the more videos I'm going to release. So when I hit these different tiers or these different goals, I'm going to be releasing different videos talking about different things having to do with SketchUp. So I calculate that with current rates of growth, I'm going to have to get 460,000 subscribers to pass SketchUp by Basecamp of this year. So the ultimate SketchUp tips video is something you're really going to want to see, so make sure that you subscribe and you tell your friends to subscribe so that we can get that video released before Basecamp. And if we can pass 500,000 subscribers, which is something that I never even considered as a possibility when I started this channel, then we're going to do something even cooler than what's listed on this page. So the whole goal with this series is not only to have fun, but also to kind of promote SketchUp because I love the program. I think there's been a lot of negativity online, shocker, lately, and I just want to do a series where we actually kind of enjoy ourselves, and it's something where we can really have fun around 3D modeling programs. So if you have any fun ideas, feel free to reach out or leave them in the comments down below. So as of right now, the clock is ticking, the challenge has started, and I'm ready to go. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can be around for all the fun we're going to have in the next 60 days. And that 30-day modeling series is going to kick off tomorrow.